Good morning. I came this morning to see my father. Usual morning rounds. With swollen tonsils and in a lot of pain. He gave me the iDoc acupuncture machine. We looked on the charts for tonsil relief. Left hand top left corner of my thumb. Started with intensity 3 for 15 minutes. And I started swallowing. Now on intensity 9 for 15 minutes and pain completely gone. I'm swallowing. Amazing. Really amazing. Very effective, I must say. Recommend for everyone. I'm going to try the other charts, the other positions to detect. I found out I could detect. So to detect if I have any other thing, I could do acupuncture this morning before I go to work.